Now let's do question 5, okay? Let's do question 5. Let's go. So what does question 5 now say? It says, okay, you have set A, and set A should be equal to the set with the element 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And then you should have set B be the set with 3, 6, and 9. And then you have set C. C should have the element 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, let's solve the first one. Says, could you find A intersection B, please? This is just easy. Intersection is read as A and B. Okay, A intersection B is read as A and B. So we want something which is in both A and B. So what do? We just go to A and we check everything in A to see if it is also in B. If it is also in B, we put it. So we start with 1. Is it also in B? No. 3, is it also in B? Yes, so we can put it. So there's 3. 5, is it also in B? No. 7, is it also in B? No. 9, is it in B? Yes, so it's 3 and 9. And then we can close. Okay, draw it nicely. Now let's do B. B says we want A, U, C, which is A union C. Let's look for it now. A union C is the easiest. Union just means combine the two sets and write any number which you're seeing in either one of the two sets or in both of the sets. We just write any number we see in A, any number we see in C, or any number we see in both of them we write. So we start with 1. We can go from 1 going up. 1, is it in A or C? Yes, so we are putting it 1. Then 2, is it in A or C? Yes, it's in C, so we put it 2. 3, is it in A or C? Yes, it's in 3, so we put it. 4, is it in A or C? Yes, it's in C, so we put it. 5, is it in A or C? Yes, it's in A, we put it. 6, is it in A or C? Yes, it's in C, you put it. 7, is it in A or C? Yes, it is in A, you put it. 8, is it in A or C? Yes, it is in C, you put it. 9, is it in A or C? Yes, it is 9, you put it. So you can now close. This is going to be A union C. Then we are going to have the last one, which is B minus A. What will I get? For B minus A, remember, minus, this is another set operation. We are doing set operations. This is 1. Here's another. We're left with only complement. So, but here for subtraction, when we say B minus A, it means bring the whole of B. But make sure as you're bringing it, make sure the thing is not in A. If it's in A, you can't bring it. So we're bringing the whole of B. We start with 3. We try to bring it back. Is it in A? Yes. Oh, so we can't. 6, we try to bring it. Is it in A? No, so it can come. 9, we try to bring it as in A. Is it in A? Yes, so we can't. So it's going to be just this, the set with the element 6, and you are done. And this is going to be the end for question 5. We meet again as we do question 4 in the next one. Goodbye for now.